Hey, I am David Tan, co-founder at ChatReply. If you run a B2B agency and your outbound numbers are sliding, the next 20 minutes are for you. My co-founder Ryan runs sending infrastructure here, and he is going to walk you through the 3 hidden email headers killing your reply rate. Take it away, Ryan.
Scout Deliverability Masterclass. The 3 hidden email headers killing your reply rate. I am Ryan Dobbeck. I run infrastructure at ChatReply. In the next 20 minutes, you will learn the 3 metadata fingerprints that get cold email tools clustered as bulk outbound, why retail tools cannot fix them, and the managed infrastructure model that does, plus a 60-second header check you can run on your own outbox before this ends. Before I dig in, a quick exercise. Open Gmail in a second tab. Pull up the most recent cold email you have received. Click the 3 dot menu in the upper right of the message and select Show Original. Keep that window open. We are going to dissect those exact headers together in 5 minutes. Authentication is not enough. If your sends pass SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, that is the floor, not the ceiling. Authentication tells the inbox you are who you say you are. It does not tell the inbox you are a real human at a real business sending one-to-one. The metadata in your headers does that, and most cold email tools fail it. Fingerprint number 1, the EC2 middleman relay. Look in the headers you just opened for a received line containing a host name like EC2 3.135.186.253.compute.amazon.oz. Commuter real business email goes mailbox to mail server to recipient. EC2 relay routing goes mailbox to AWS instance to mail server to recipient. The extra hop is the tell. The inbox sees it and pre-classifies your campaigns as platform routed bulk, regardless of how clean your authentication is. Fingerprint number 2, UUID-style message IDs. A normal message ID looks like cads8yzabc123 at gmail.com, generated by the mail client. A platform-generated one looks like 019DB81 7663 7239 9B75 9B2C62F 93F09 at your platformsender.com. And the same UUID often appears in the EC2 relay host name too. 2 fingerprints, same UUID. Inbox providers cluster all messages with this pattern across millions of unrelated senders. Fingerprint number 3, hard-coded tool signatures, the smoking gun. Look for headers like Xmail abuse inquiries pointing to app.instantly.ai, app.smartlead.ai, or any other SaaS abuse reporting URL. The inbox literally has the tool name embedded in the email metadata. There is no way to remove it from your sends. It is baked into the platform. 3 fingerprints, 1 verdict. Even if your copy is 10 out of 10, this metadata posture caps your inbox placement before the message is read. Here's the part most people miss. This is not a configuration problem. It is an architecture problem. These fingerprints are not bugs. They are how multi-tenant platforms work. Shared relays, shared message ID patterns, shared platform IDs across all customers. When one customer of the platform gets flagged, your sending posture degrades too. You are paying for software, but inheriting reputation from senders you have never met. Strong copy wins the click. Clean infrastructure wins the inbox. And here is what the cheap option actually costs. On Apollo, agency operators spend 6 to 9 hours per week managing deliverability. On Smartlead, 7 to 12 hours per week. On Clay, 8 to 14 hours per week. On Scout, 1 to 3 hours per week. Software license is not the real cost. Operator hours are. The cheap option is the most expensive once you count the hours. So what is Scout? Scout is not another retail sending tool. It is the infrastructure layer beneath your outbound, managed outbound infrastructure for B2B agencies sending serious volume. Domains, mailboxes, authentication, sending posture, all managed. You bring leads and copy. We handle everything else. 4 pillars. 1, isolated infrastructure, dedicated boundaries, not multi-tenant pools. Your sends do not share IPs, relays, or platform IDs with unrelated senders. 2, reduced third-party footprint, no shared retail platform identifiers and headers. No Xmail abuse inquiries pointing to a SaaS app. No UUID message IDs that cluster across millions of unrelated messages. 3, cleaner header posture. Metadata that looks like direct business communication, not software routed bulk. The same posture a manual cold email from your CEO would have. 4, Operational control. You decide who is sending. We make sure the infrastructure stays clean. No surprise reputation events from other tenants. Everything in one managed stack. Sending domains, mailboxes, up to 10 personas per domain, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC configured correctly on every send. Header posture maintained. Reply routing back to your team. 1 to 3 hours per week of your operator time. The other 5 to 11 hours go back to work that compounds. Campaign strategy, list quality, reply handling, pipeline. Final piece, founding client pilot. Open this week only. We are onboarding a small number of agencies onto Scout under founding pricing this week. Next step is a 25-minute Scout review. We open your most recent cold email together, run the same 60-second header check we did at the start, and identify which fingerprints are in your sends right now. Then we decide together whether managed infrastructure fits your volume. Click the button on screen to book 25 minutes, no sales pitch, a real deliverability audit on your real outbox. If it is a fit, we talk pilot pricing. If not, you walk away with a header check you can run on every campaign forever. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the call.